ลังสิไปล่องเรือพี่น้องล่องเรือหารักล่องเรือหารักเนาะเป็นเรือพี่น้องทำไมบิ๊กเหรอไทยอันนั้น Hello Jessica Hello Jessica Helloจะเป็นอยากจอยนะสัวจอยได้จอยดิ stop can fishing here huh anyone can fish or you have to have license somebody house over there.
The vessel you're travelling on today is the motorist Swan, built in 1938 by Vickers Armstrong of Barrow and Furness for the London Midland Scottish Railway.
Oh, that's cute in their garden. The little, yeah, little kids' summer house, isn't it? Well, I'm going to live in them also. Yeah. Get off my grandparents, get their money. Yeah. Oh, it's a bit too far for you guys, isn't it? You haven't done the welcoming ceremony yet.
White building on our
Welcoming ceremony. You've got the welcomes into the family.
On the outbreak of World War II, he was appointed to the Ministry of War Transport as Director of the Shore Sea Trade Division. In this capacity, he helped to organise the evacuation of Dunkirk in 1940. For this, he received a Nightingale Award. John Fisher went on to help with the planning of D-Day landings, and after the war, married an opera singer, set up home with her playing Ray, and continued to work in band until the age of 90.
Just wish you picked Jenga, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
really
You know where you hide it? In the house? Where would you hide? We're not actually going to play hide and seek, are we? The locked rooms. The one with the doors locked so you can't get in.
The holiday park, disguised in the trees here, is held at a site that was here in the run-up to and during the First World War. Tests were undertaken on it to try to design an aircraft that would take off and land on water. Eventually, on the 25th of November 1911,
Do you remember saying that?
little aircraft called
You're going to call it Tyrone.
aided by a northerly wind,
You're going to call it Tyrone.
Oh, you're pretty serious about it last night,
This
mate.
was the first successful takeoff
Yes, you
and landing of the
were.
war anywhere in the British Empire.
วยไหม
อืม
สปีดโบ๊ทโอเวอร์เดียนะ
converted into a hotel which opened in 1892. It still is a luxury hotel today. The vessel on the left is the motor vessel Turkey. She's the longest at 145 feet or 44.1 metres. And the oldest converted to diesel opened the window of 1957 and 58. And she weighs 120 tonnes, carries 350 passengers and a crew.
Lucy. Oh, she needs a hook. She needs a nails done. They're long. They are.
มีเกาะเล็กๆ I think loud about here for sure. Have to clean here. Or not?
Should feed it or she didn't.
This cuts out a road journey of around 14 miles. Mallard dates from 1990 and is the fourth vehicle ferry to ply the route, the first one being introduced in 1870. Prior to that, there was a passenger service in operation here, the earliest reference to which was 1438, although it's likely the crossing had been operated with some description for a few hundred years before that.
I want calamari.